The scene opens with a series of quick flashes showcasing iconic Roman architecture, including grand columns, arches, and ruins that evoke a sense of historical grandeur. Interspersed are images of gladiators in combat, highlighting the fierce spirit of the empire. The visuals transition to shimmering gold coins, symbolizing wealth and power, followed by close-ups of intricate marble statues that embody the artistry and culture of ancient Rome. The sequence culminates in a fade to black, creating an intense and dramatic atmosphere that sets the tone for the narrative. The scene opens with visuals of ancient maps expanding across a parchment, showcasing the vast territories of the Roman Empire. The camera transitions to Roman legions marching in formation, their armor glinting in the sunlight, evoking a sense of strength and discipline. A silhouette of Julius Caesar is seen against flickering firelight, symbolizing power and ambition. The voiceover narrates the rise of Rome, emphasizing their achievements in infrastructure, wealth, and law. The visuals shift to depict the grandeur of Roman cities, bustling with activity and opulence, while the voiceover reflects on the systematic mindset that led to their success. The scene concludes with a dramatic pause in the voiceover, hinting at the impending challenges Rome will face as the echo of gladiators fades into distant battle horn. The scene opens with visuals of emperors dining lavishly, showcasing opulent feasts with golden plates and goblets overflowing with wine. Gold pours from ornate vessels, while slaves in chains serve the emperors. The atmosphere is filled with the sounds of laughter and clinking glasses, contrasting sharply with the chaos of riots in the street outside, and the visuals shift to depict the stark contrast between the luxurious lives of emperors like Nero and Caligula and the suffering of the common people. The emperors are shown in palaces adorned with pure gold, surrounded by fountains flowing with wine, yet their expressions reveal a deep-seated fear and paranoia. This juxtaposition highlights the theme of power and its accompanying anxiety. The visuals continue to illustrate the excesses of Roman emperors, showcasing their palatial residences filled with extravagant decorations. The scene captures the opulence of their surroundings, emphasizing the wealth that surrounds them. However, the focus shifts to their anxious expressions, revealing the psychological toll of their power. The voiceover reflects on the internal struggles faced by these rulers, hinting at the paranoia that accompanies their lavish lifestyles. The empire fractured from within, corruption, betrayal, civil wars, and outside, enemies were watching. The Visigoths, the Huns, the storm was coming. The scene opens with a sweeping aerial view of a modern city skyline, showcasing towering skyscrapers that reflect the influence of Roman architecture. The camera pans down to reveal military parades marching through the streets, followed by shots of courtroom scenes that highlight the legal system's roots in Roman law. The final shots feature luxury high-rises adorned with Roman columns, emphasizing the enduring legacy of Roman design in contemporary society. The visuals transition to a montage of scenes that depict the passage of time through various empires and their architectural achievements. The camera captures the grandeur of ancient ruins juxtaposed with modern structures, illustrating the evolution of civilization. The imagery emphasizes the idea of legacy and the lasting impact of historical empires on contemporary society. So ask yourself, what empire are you building? Will it last a moment or a millennium? The scene opens with a sweeping view of ancient Roman architecture, showcasing grand columns and intricate stonework that reflect the power and majesty of the Roman Empire. The camera pans over a bustling forum filled with citizens engaged in various activities, emphasizing the vibrancy of Roman life. As the voiceover speaks, the visuals transition to iconic symbols of Rome, such as the Colosseum and the Roman eagle, symbolizing strength and legacy. The scene concludes with a bold musical swell, leading to a golden logo that signifies the call to action.